Today I'm bringing you the ultimate guide to all the Insta360 X5 accessories, including some gear that's not even out yet. Whether you're just getting your X5 or looking to upgrade your setup, this video covers everything you need to know. We'll explore 12 must-have accessories, 9 mounting solutions, 7 optional accessories, and plenty more. So grab your gear and let's get into it. Starting with the X5 battery. This one's a serious upgrade. It packs a 2,400 milliamp hour capacity for longer shooting sessions, and the case has a couple of micro SD card slots for storage. Plus, it's designed to work down to -20 degrees centigrade so you can shoot in freezing conditions without losing power. Perfect if you're out in the snow or cold climates. I know it's summer up there in the northern hemisphere, but you know, for us out here in the south, it's cold. Next, the X5 carry case is hands down the best 360 camera case you can get. It comes with a selfie stick holder, and inside there's space for your quick reader, quick release system, and the utility fast charging dual battery charger. I'll come back to that. It's got space for your X5 naked, or if it's also wearing lens guards, thermo grip cover, and the all-weather USB charging cover as its outfit for the day. The case is designed to fit all your essentials securely, and it's part of the X5 Essential Bundle too. Oh yeah, and that little loop for your selfie stick? Nice. The utility frame has been redesigned from the ground up by PGY, now a full metal frame and 22% lighter than the X4's, which is great because I didn't use it with my X4, it was just a little too heavy. It features a mic windshield, dual cold shoe mount, and a quick grip system on the bottom. It provides 360-degree protection with a screw locking lens cap, and you can swap batteries without removing the cage. The mount on the side of the lens is perfect for switching between portrait and landscape shots. Plus, it comes with that wind muff for pro-level audio in any condition. One of the biggest upgrades is the replacement lens kit. Yes, you can now replace the scratched lens yourself without sending your camera back to Insta360. Just make sure you change any damaged lens in a clean, dust-free indoor environment, and watch out for humidity to avoid lens fog. Follow the official tutorial carefully. Remember, this kit replaces only the first glass of the fisheye lens, so if the secondary glass is damaged, this won't fix it. If you grab an X5 kit through my link in the description, you might even get a free replacement lens. The Mic Air is Insta360's wireless mic system designed to work natively with the X5. It's ultra lightweight at just 7.9 grams, delivers 48 kHz 24-bit audio quality, and lasts up to 10 hours on a charge. It doubles as a remote controller and supports one-button noise reduction too. The mic transmitter uses Bluetooth at 2.4 GHz frequency and comes with a magnetic charging base and mounts. I'm super excited to continue to test this mic out and see how it improves wireless audio for X5 shooters. You can also get a different pack that comes with a Type-C port receiver for phones or other platforms. Now this isn't your typical screen protector. The cooling screen protector offers edge-to-edge curved glass protection, plus a built-in cooling system to prevent your camera from overheating under direct sunlight. A must-have for long outdoor shoots. This ThrowPod is a clever 2-in-1 selfie stick and tripod. You literally throw it and it automatically expands into a tripod. Well, throw is a bit of an exaggeration. It's designed more for drops of around 10 centimeters. That's your warning from me. It weighs just 814 grams, extends up to 1.14 meters, and has a stable triangular base that's invisible in your shots. It's compatible with the Flow 2 Pro 2, which I think I'll end up using it with too. 2 again. And it's perfect for quick setups when you're out shooting. I will be testing it a bit more for stability though, and I'm definitely making sure I have a spare lens kit or two. Now the lens cap fits both the X4 and X5, providing full lens protection with or without the premium lens guards or standard lens guards on. It's lightweight, durable, and designed to fit snugly. A simple but essential accessory to keep your lenses safe. The utility fast charging case is a game changer. It can charge 3 batteries simultaneously, 2 inside the case and 1 in your camera via USB-C. It supports PD fast charging, getting batteries to 80% in just 28 minutes with independent power management to avoid overcharging. Compact and pocket friendly, this charger is perfect for all day shooting without worrying about power, and it has space for 3 micro SD cards too. Who says you're unprepared? I've just got one of these and I suspect it will be a top accessory for me. The redesigned USB Quick Reader 3.0 supports USB-C slots, a Lightning slot, and an extra micro SD card slot for faster file transfers and or extra capacity for you to use as external storage for your X5. It features a new locking mechanism, supports fast charging for your camera and phone, and it's super lightweight at just 15.8 grams. This is a must-have for quick and reliable data offloading. If you want to inject timecode or use professional mics, the mic adapter is your go-to accessory. It expands the Type-C port into a Type-C plus a 3.5mm TRS socket. It's invisible on your setup and works well with the Rode Wireless Go receivers and your multi-cam workflows. Now let's talk mounts. The POV Chest Mount is designed with free frame mode in mind for single lens shooting, capturing immersive first-person shots with a max 170 degrees view at 4K 60 frames per second. And you can place your camera vertically and mount it on your chest to give you the best POV shots. Now this chest strap is comfortable with adjustable elastic bands and airflow designed to reduce noise and keep audio clear. The quick release mounts are thinner and stronger than before, compatible with X5, Ace Pro, and Ace Pro 2, featuring Insta360's proprietary locking mechanism. The quick release mount 2.0 supports cross-compatibility with X3, X4, and more, and a 2-in-1 design including GoPro style mounts. This vertical horizontal mount is lightweight, sturdy, and features a magnetic quick release system for fast switching between views. But let's get into a little more detail about the helmet chin mount. This is a pioneer in its category, delivering the immersive POV action shots when mounted on a helmet. Featuring a 3-prong GoPro style mount, it allows you to position your camera vertically or horizontally, totally flexible to your shooting style. Inside the helmet, there's a dedicated spot to mount your mic air, effectively eliminating wind noise for clear audio. Now this innovative design supports both vertical and horizontal mounting options compatible with your X5, X4, and Ace Pro 2 cameras. On the back, it includes a built-in helmet microphone stand, making it ultra discreet, yet delivering top-tier audio quality. So for motorcyclists seeking the best on-road audio and video setup, this mount is going to be hard to beat. The FOMO Power Handle isn't out yet, which is kind of ironic, but it looks promising. It has a built-in stand, mini remote, and supports over 9 hours of 5.7K continuous shooting. Compact at 14.3 centimeters, it's really designed, I think, for pre-record mode and will be compatible with both the X5 and the X4 after hopefully a firmware update. The foldable utility handle is palm-sized, offers full camera protection, and includes a mini tripod on the bottom. It kind of looks a bit like the case in the Pocket series from DJI. It folds like a 2-in-1 selfie stick and fits comfortably in your pocket. Perfect for quick setups on the go, though it's not available just yet. And your camera won't fit if you're using standard or premium lens guards, so bear that in mind. You'll need to remove them to use this case. This clip mount lets you shoot from a variety of angles, and it's ideal for car interiors, desktops, or wherever you need a quick adjustable setup. It also includes a mini ball head for flexible positioning. Okay, let's talk about lens guards. The standard lens guard is made from reinforced glass to protect your lens from day-to-day wear. The premium lens guard uses multi-coated glass for extra durability, but neither is waterproof, so keep them clean and dry. Now, just a note, lens guards will compromise the quality of your footage. Personally, I've never used them, which is why I was very happy that the X5 lenses are now user replaceable for a very reasonable cost. I get a couple of these as spares and go down that route to protect your investment instead. The thermal grip cover helps you keep your camera cool during long 8K shoots by acting as a heatsink. Great for stationary use, but not recommended for high airflow action like skiing or motorcycling. The all-weather USB charging cover offers IPX4 protection against light rain and snow. Perfect for outdoor shooting in mild weather where you need to have a bit more connectivity. For underwater shooting, the invisible dive case is a must. It's waterproof down to 60 meters with an IPX9K rating, the highest for dive cases. It's optically designed to be invisible in 360 footage and comes with a quick dry bag that clips to your belt. Insta360 also offers button sticker sets to make your controls easier to find and use. Those raised button stickers are pretty useful if you're wearing riding gloves or maybe thick winter gloves in the snow. A small but smart upgrade for smoother operation, particularly if you're new to this style of camera. The bullet time selfie stick, now in 2nd generation, also serving as a regular selfie stick too, as well as those bullet time shots. It's now got 3 angles to keep everyone in the frame at 65, 75, and 90 degrees. There are tons more accessories like foldable selfie sticks, bike mounts, suction cups, backpack mounts, and more. Basically, everything you need to mount your X5 in any scenario. All the gear links are in the description below. Check them out and get your X5 fully loaded for your next adventure. And I'll catch you in the next one. This one right here.